After practicing for hours, Naina has just returned home from her cricket training. She has a match in the coming few days. She is exhausted today. Naina enters the kitchen to drink a glass of water, and this is when she meets her father and tells him all about her day. Her father adds glucose to her glass of water to make her feel better. As soon as her father adds the glucose powder to the water and stirs it, Naina notices that the powder is nowhere to be seen inside the water. Naina is curious to know what happened to the glucose powder. Where did it vanish? This is when her father tells her that the glucose powder did not disappear. It has dissolved in the water to form a solution. But Naina is still confused. She does not know what a solution was. Her father explains to her further that when a substance dissolves uniformly or completely into another substance, it is called a solution. The substance present in smaller quantities and dissolves completely is called solute, and the substance which is present in large quantities and in which the solute dissolves is called a solvent. Which means solute plus solvent gives us a solution. But Naina wonders, if she drops some chalk powder in the water, will it dissolve? The sharpener, when added in the water, doesn't dissolve because chalk powder is an insoluble substance and such substances do not dissolve in the solvent. Do you remember seeing the tea powder at the bottom of the container when the tea is being prepared? That is because tea powder is also an example of an insoluble substance. But when we add glucose powder in water, it vanishes. That is because it dissolves completely in the water as it is a soluble substance. Naina's father was answering her questions when her brother entered the kitchen to get some water from the fridge. But accidentally, he drinks soda water instead of the water kept in the fridge. Naina and her father were having a good laugh when she saw some air bubbles in the soda bottle. It also made a fizzing sound when the bottle was opened. Now Naina was curious to know what was present in the water that made the fizzy sound. This was because of the carbon dioxide gas dissolved in water. Yes, gases can dissolve in solvents too. It is only because of dissolved oxygen in water that fishes can breathe underwater. She finally gets it. Not only did she ace her practice today, but she got a lot of things to learn from her father too.